Yeah, go ahead. Got me a mess here of car parts. So I'm at home, just kind of cooling and bulling. I got bored, and I know one of my neighbors has headlight tint, so I hit him up to see if he'd let me have some, and he did. So I'm going to be tinting just, you know, the headlights on the 240. I think at first I'm just going to do the corner lights. I just freshened up the headlights. They were like yellow. That one still needs some more work, but they were like completely like brown and yellow. They look terrible. But yeah, for right now, I'm just going to, I'm going to try to tint these. I didn't have a heat gun with me, so we're going to be redneck, and I got the stove eye on, and I'm going to kind of like just move it over it, see if I can get it to stretch out a little bit more. Why do I deal with this? What? It literally never stops with you. So that actually worked extremely well. You can see some of the folds. I'm going to try to get them out here in a second. But that redneck method actually kind of worked really well to get it to stay on there. I'm going to go ahead and cut it with a razor blade and see if I can get some of the creases out. So I think for now I'm just going to do the blah 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 blah. I think for now I'm just going to do the two side markers. Shout out to my head right here waiting on the turbo. Shout out to my turbo over here waiting on a downpipe. Shout out to my boy making the downpipe up in Connecticut. But yeah, I think for now, I'm just going to do those and see what happens. Maybe I'll do the headlights later, I don't know. I think the corners would just look better like that. So this is the headlight tint. I think it looks good with just the corners on. This car hasn't looked this good in so long. My God, I've been neglecting this car so badly. Like right before I made this video today, the back tires were completely slick. It was sliding me around. There was mud and salt all over it. The front wheels didn't match. The bumper was gone. It got ripped off. Like the inside of the car was destroyed. It smelled terrible. But put a lot of work in today to get it cleaned up again. This headlight tint's really cool. The headlights look really good too being cleaned up, so I love the white wheels being back on. It looks really, really good.
Here's one here, and then
Does it have? It doesn't have an actual interior light, does it? Oh, they're right here.
Yeah, it does. And I can control all of them from a panel over here too. So if you want them all on?
Yeah, go ahead. This is so cool, man. Like I never thought that I would actually sit in one.
It might be the center one. There's another one that's tucked in the seat.
Oh, right there. Yeah, I'm an idiot.
It's fine.
There we go.
That's always a pain in the ass.
I need to buy Gt500. So good.
Yeah, there we go. You want me to hold it up for you? Well, it's got a, whenever it decides to actually fucking load, it's got a...
We're playing man in the box.
Alright, let's
in a
start
K
shaking
car.
it. There's people to our right.
At 4,000 RPM.
Fourth is the best,
Doing
right?
35.
Yeah, how do you take this thing on the highway?
When it's like you by yourself, you're sitting at 5,000 RPM on here is about 85 kilometers an hour, which is 50, and you don't go much over that.
Tokyo drift this thing.
Yeah, dude, just rip the e-brake. Power.
Oh, power. Oh, yeah.
I mean, all the weight's down at the bottom because Dana's in the back section.
Oh, shit.
No, the fastest car I've been in, it was a supercharged C5, and then the ZR1.
That's way the hell faster than this.
But I mean, I only rode that like one time. Like I'm used to maybe like 200 or 300 wheel. I'm not really.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm not rich. I don't have money like that.
Dude, you got money like that.
Nah. If I didn't have 240s or live in Asheville. What? Where you would outran me spinning right there.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Look at this guy. He drives a Mustang.
Dude, there's a guy riding. Yeah, I thought it was a cop. I was like, fuck.
They don't want it.
No. I'm not getting pulled over. Again. Okay. So I'm not racing you on fucking Patton Avenue. bitch.
Early gun there. Oh, I think, yeah.
No, I'm not racing you on Patton Avenue.
Yeah, I was about to say, he wants to.
He wants it bad, but he ain't gonna get it. This shit's sketchy as fuck.
So you had a GT before this?
No, I had a Challenger SRT 8. It's like a 2010 model.
I thought you had an older style Mustang.
I do. I still got it.
Oh, you still have that one?
Yeah, it's a regular 03 GT. Nothing special.
Which one do you like more? Other than power, like which one do you?
That's a tough one. I love like the drivability of the GT because it's just so cool. I don't know. I just love the GT. It's a great daily driver. This just got the power. I mean, the power is almost everything to me.
Yeah.
I love it.
The earlier GTs had that like cool dash that like circled around.
Oh yeah. That's how mine is. Dude, this.
He wants it so bad.
Dude, there's probably a fucking cop right there, right behind him. Guess what I'm gonna do? Fourth gear. I'm gonna leave it.
Is he?
Oh shit! What is he doing? Okay. We'll do fourth gear.
Oh shit!
He's got power! He's got power! I should have
Might have to
third.
redo that one.
I'm gonna have to do third next time. Dude, slow down, bitch. You want to redo it or what?
Yeah, go ahead. It pulls like a hood.
Yeah.
Like it pulls really, really hard.
For 4 grand? 4,000 pounds?
Yeah.
Woo! I know who's there.
When did this become Mustang Week?
Mustang way!
Yo.
Hey, if this is the
So that video's done. It's about to go up. It's about to get uploaded. It's Sunday night. That was all recorded Saturday. Make sure to like, make sure to share, subscribe, and until the next one.